Hello guys, welcome to BEAWARE If you are here, you are on the right place. Do not skip or do not end the video. Please watch this, it is going to be very helpful for you. We have a lot of exciting services for you. You can visit blogs on our website. You could also visit simulation training modules. We are India's first simulation channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then we have services which includes process simulation training. We provide projects for you. We provide 3ds models. Training modules will be provided. Part 1 and part 2 is available on our website. You can earn by shopping on Amazon up to 100 rupees or 1% for your order. You would be able to access us blogs on our website for free. You could also get updates related to job openings and stock updates, and the very important health awareness tips we are going to bring on our website. So we have simulation, you could look at simulation tab. We have job in stock tab, you could visit here for job updates. Here we have blogs tab where you could visit for interesting blogs we bring with the highest level of quality. Here is shop and earn where you could come and click on the link and go and buy from Amazon and earn the money. There are a lot of benefits you would get from our BEAWARE.com. In the services you will also find numerous another services. Do not forget to visit BEAWARE.com and explore this all which is brought just for you.